With the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent and compassionate. Today I am going to teach you about past continuous tense, as I've already done its active one, and its passive voice is being treated in a way to make you understand the basics of the conversion of active into passive. For example, past continuous, continuous imperfect. Continuous means progressive. I, my, was, ta. Reading, read, पढ़, पढ़ना और पढ़. ing, पढ़ रहा था, मैं पढ़ रहा था एक किताब. सो आई एक्टिव है, ये सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट से मुतालिक प्रेडिकेट है. प्रेडिकेट ये है कि was reading a book, was reading a book, ये खबर है. आई से मुतालिक, आई सब्जेक्ट है, तो आई was reading a book. फिर ये excuse me, then it is converted. Object is converted into subject and subject is converted into object. So a book. So there is already auxiliary verb in active tense. I was reading a book was being read by me. I was reciting the holy book was being recited by me. I was writing a letter was being written by me. I was sending him a letter, he was being sent a letter by me. He was communicating the information was being communicated by him. So they were inviting their guests were being invited by them, etc. एक जो काम कर रहे हैं और एक से मुतालिक वो भी सब्जेक्ट होता है. यहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट जो तब्दील हो जाता है, लेकिन उस सब्जेक्ट इस ज़िम्न में है कि उससे मुतालिक बात हो रही है, प्रेडिकेट दी जा रही है, खबर दी जा रही है. लेकिन सब्जेक्ट के मकाम पर होते हुए भी ये वर्ब जो होता है वो असरअंदाज होता है, वो पैसिव में होता है, और ये सब्जेक्ट खुद उससे सफर होता है, उसमें से होके गुजरता है. I was reading a book. So a book was being read by me. A book was being read by me. So book is singular. I was reading books. So books were being read. It is divided into two pieces, being read, and no passive voice without third form of the verb. For its continuity, being is separated from the main verb, and both are placed in a passive voice sentence in order to indicate that it was converted from active into passive. So reading is equal to being read, writing is equal to being written. Sending is equal to being sent. तो ये होता है कि ये बुक यहां आ जाता है सब्जेक्ट की जगह लेकर. तो अ बुक वाज बीइंग रेड बाय मी. वी वर, हम थे, प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, खेल रहे क्रिकेट, तो हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे. सो क्या हो रहा था? एक प्रोसेस में, एक अमल में, प्रोसेस या ये जो प्रोग्रेस में था ये अमल खेलने का या क्रिकेट खेलने का. तो क्रिकेट चूंकि सिंगुलर है, एंड वी, दैट इज फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन प्लूरल, वी, दैट इज चेंज्ड इनटू अस. क्रिकेट comes to the front is a subject, being an object but is converted into subject. Cricket was, we have to place singular auxiliary verb. Cricket was being played by us. Cricket was being played by us. She was amusing her child. So she, वो एक्टिव, क्योंकि अम्यूजिंग वो एक्टिव वर्ब है, और वो इसकी फाइल है या फाइला है, वो कर रही है, वो उसमें एक्टिव है. शी वॉज अम्यूजिंग हर चाइल्ड. सो हर चाइल्ड वॉज, चूंकि चाइल्ड सिंगुलर है, हर चाइल्ड वॉज, और शी वॉज amusing her children. So children were being amused by her. So her child, we will have to place it in front by its conversion from object to subject. Her child was being amused by her. Kaji, a book was being read by me. The same I have done here in passive voice. So remember that in the active sentences we use auxiliary was and were, main verb plus ing, and in active tense also the same first form of the verb plus ing is converted into being read, into being played, into being amused, and auxiliary indicates that it is not present continuous, that I am reading a book. A book is being read by me. So it is in passive voice and belongs to past continuous, to past time. So we were playing cricket. So by changing it into interrogative, we have to place the auxiliary in front of the sentence. We will have to start the sentence, interrogative sentence, by rearrangement in the initial stage, in the initial of a sentence, in the start of a sentence. I was reading a book. I was reading a book. Was I reading a book? We were playing cricket. Were we playing cricket? She was amusing her child. Was she amusing her child? So, by negative, we have to place not immediately after the auxiliary verb, before the first form of the verb plus ing in participle, present participle. I was reading a book. I was not, wasn't reading a book. We were playing cricket. We were not playing cricket, we weren't playing cricket. So इसी तरह इसमें भी auxiliary है. Past continuous को पहचानने के लिए, उसको recognize करने, उसको distinguish करने के लिए, यानी present continuous से और future continuous से इसको distinguish करने के लिए ये auxiliary इस्तेमाल होते हैं, और इसकी mood को, कि कौन सा mood है, continuousness इसमें है, progressiveness इसमें है, imperfection इसमें है. She was amusing her child. Was she amusing her child? She wasn't amusing her child. So, in the passive voice, we have an auxiliary in these sentences. A book was being read by me. Was a book being read by me? Was a book being read by me? Cricket was being played by us. Was cricket being played by us? Was cricket being played by us? Her child was being amused by her. So, was her child being amused by her? In the same way, you can make negative sentences, change these sentences into negative ones by placing not exactly after the auxiliary verb. For example, a book was not being read by me. Was not being read by me. Cricket was being played by us. Cricket was not being played by us, or cricket wasn't being played by us. Her child was being amused by her. So, her child wasn't being amused by her. So, it is exactly the same thing as we have done in present continuous. So, it belongs to a past time. So, past, maza ma maza. Let bygones be bygones. Past is dead. It belongs to a continuous action in progress which has no starting point, and no ending or terminating point. And that is in a process in the past, in a continuum or in a continuous position in the past. So remember that continuous tense is imperfect tense. And here the verb. Here the subjects, all the subjects are active in performing the active role of the verb, and the active role of the verb is being applied to the objects, In passive voice, the same objects are converted into subjects, and the subjects say something about the predicate, and the subjects are the things by which it indicates that these people, though placed or though constituted are placed or disposed in such a way as to be called subject, even then the verb is in passive voice, and the same subjects go through underpass the same process, the same effect of the verb. So effects of the verb is exerted on these subjects, though in subject position. So it is up till now, it's enough. I think tomorrow I will teach you about past perfect. It is past continuous, and tomorrow I will teach you about the passive voice of past perfect. And perfect continuous tenses cannot be changed, are impossible to be changed. You cannot change these tenses into passive voice, because the reason behind the impossibility of their being changed into passive will be clarified to you tomorrow. Thank you very much, but remember that such sentences are often uttered at the time when the process is indicated. We were talking about you when your brother called me. So we were having a breakfast when someone knocked at the door. So guests were being entertained, were being received, and their wedding presents were being collected by those standing there in wait for the reception of the guests. So such and such things were being done, and so, and such actions or intervening actions also occurred in the process of that work being done in the past, in a progressive, in a continuous, and in a process, not reaching its culmination or its perfection. Thank you very much. May God bless you all and have a nice day. And also with sincere invocation to Allah for your brilliant and stunning success and your career, and I will come tomorrow with the same information about conversion of past perfect tense. Thank you very much. Till tomorrow. Wassalam.